Joining us now on MSUEagles.com is the head men's basketball coach at Morehead State, Sean Woods, and his team gets it done today at Johnson Arena, 65-50 over Eastern Illinois. Coach, your team's now 7-2 at home this year, and I know it always feels good to get a win, but I know you're not completely satisfied either.
No, I'm not. We did what we needed to do to win, especially defensively, but turning the ball over 22 times against a team that really doesn't pressure doesn't sit well. We gotta get better at closing out games, especially from our leaders, our seniors.
Your team held Eastern Illinois to 32% shooting and just 17 points in the first half. Talk about those first 20 minutes and what your guys did well.
We locked down. You know, we stuck to the script. Everybody paid attention to the scouting report. Second half, we got complacent. A couple guys missed their assignment, didn't get out on shooters, didn't switch, poor communication, and that's the reason why they shot a better percentage in the second half.
The game got pretty close early in the second half. Your team pulled away. I think it was a 23-5 run. About 15 minutes to go in the game. Your team really turned it on. What was the difference at that stretch?
Our pressure kind of bothered them a little bit, and we were disciplined with it. We got a couple turnovers, and we scored on them. We scored 23 points off of turnovers, and I thought that was pretty good for turning the team over 21 times. But we still got to do better.
You mentioned the 22 miscues by your team tonight. You've used the term several times this year, unforced errors. Is that what happened again tonight?
Same thing. You know, we got to be tougher, and we got to be mentally tougher coming down the stretch and doing the right things.
Had pretty good balance in scoring tonight. Junior Drew Kelly had 11, sophomore Angelo Warner with 11, and with the last three of the game, Maurice Lewis-Briggs, also a junior, with 11. You feel like the balanced scoring could be difficult for opponents to scout down the road?
Well, it's going to be because we got so many weapons, and you never know who's going to have a tough and good night. I mean, if I'd have played Jared Stokes even more, he got hurt again. You know, he came out and hit 2 big threes, which was good. You know, Bakari Turner hit a good 3. Then he's still hobbling a little bit with his ankle. So, once those guys get in it and get healthy, that adds another piece to our dimension. And then also, as you saw, I thought Tariq Muhammad came in and gave us good minutes for the 4 minutes he played. I mean, he had 2 assists and no turnovers, and things just sort of speed up, and he makes the game so much easier for us because he's a heck of a passer.
Bench points this season have been about a 2-to-1 ratio in favor of your team. Tonight it was 20-2 in favor of the Eagles. How'd you feel about that area?
Well, that's got to be a key for us. You know, when we come off the bench, we still have firepower, and that's got to stay consistent.
Your team has now won 3 games in a row. I know it feels good to start the Ohio Valley Conference portion of your schedule 2-0, but you head back to the road for the next 4. Your team's just 1-6 on the road, and I know you expect to see better results here, starting with Austin Peay on Wednesday.
Right. We just got to forget we're on the road and just go play the game the way it's supposed to be played and stick to the scouting report and just play with confidence and let the chips fall where they may.
For the team as a whole, Coach, if there was an area or 2 that you'd like to improve between now and Wednesday, what would that be?
Finishing ball games down the stretch.
And down the stretch, I know that Eastern Illinois kind of chipped away and I think cut it to single digits. What were you unhappy with during that stretch?
Well, we weren't disciplined in communicating on the screens, and we got cut a couple times. Got caught a couple times on back cuts. Didn't rotate and gave up 3. So, but that offense that they run, that chin offense, kind of creates that type of situation. But we got to continue to get better. We're not there yet, but we're getting better.
Morehead State is back to 500, 2-0 in league play after a 65-50 win over Eastern Illinois here on Saturday evening at Johnson Arena. Head coach Sean Woods, thanks for your time.
No problem.